everybody, A&P Adventures here. I'm Aaron.
And I'm Patrick.
And guess what? We are on the Upper East Side for Subway Sundays.
Pew, pew, pew. Subway Sundays.
86th Street, that's what we're going to show off right now.
Yeah.
On our newest line,
Yeah.
2017, this line opened up.
2nd Avenue.
Yeah. Anything else before we get going?
No, let's just dive right in.
Here we go. So as we mentioned, we're on the Upper East Side, bounded by 96th Street to the north, East River to the east, 59th Street to the south, and Central Park and 5th Avenue to the west. So the art here is called Subway Portraits, and it's by Chuck Close. And Chuck created 12 large-scale portraits for this 86th Street station that are all based on the artist's painstakingly detailed photo-based portrait paintings. His various painting techniques have been interpreted into 10 works of mosaics and 2 as ceramic tiles. 10 of the works measure almost 9 feet high, and they all cover about 1,000 square feet. Now, the first one we're going to see coming up right here is someone very familiar to Chuck Close, and that is his niece, Emma. So cute. Notice how much detail there is. From afar, you can see this picture of Emma, and as we get close up, you can see how detailed it really is. It's truly remarkable. Now, the idea is that the people portrayed represent the variety of individuals that pass through the MTA system every day. And they're chiefly cultural figures that have frequently been subjects in his artistic career spanning over half a century. They include Lou Reed, Sienna Shields, Zhang Guan, Carol Walker, Alex Katz, Cecily Brown, Cindy Sherman, as well as 2 very distinct self-portraits of Chuck Close himself. And we'll show all those off as we make our way through the station. Now, Close is renowned for his innovative conceptual portraiture. He began creating photorealist portraits from photographs in the late 1960s using a grid to map each facial detail, which is very obvious when you see the detail that's involved. Here is one of his self-portraits right here of Chuck Close.
I always like it when the artist puts a self-portrait of themselves. They include that in the art. It's nice to know, what the artist looks like.
And we get 2 by him.
Yeah.
This is the first one by him. He lives and works in New York City and Eastern Long Island, by the way. And he's always revitalizing his practice and works across a broad variety of media, extending beyond painting to encompass printmaking, photography, collage, tapestries based on Polaroids. I mean, there's so much. Like I said, he works from gridded photographs, and then he builds his images by applying one careful stroke after another in multicolors or grayscale, creating these larger-than-life works that have then been transformed to these mosaics. These specifically are glass tiles.
Yeah. We should just give I'm going to go stand by it so they can have an idea of how large they are.
I mean, it really is just amazing. These are all hand-glazed ceramic tiles. It's just beautiful.
All right. Now we should...
Let's go on in, shall we?
Through the turnstiles, right?
So one interesting fact about Chuck Close is he actually suffers from a condition that causes face blindness, so he's unable to recognize faces. So by painting these portraits, he's better able to recognize and remember faces. He also was one of 8 artists who volunteered in 2013 to participate in President Barack Obama's Turnaround Arts Initiative. And that program aimed to improve low-performing schools by increasing student engagement through the arts. He mentored 34 students in the 6th through 8th grades at Roosevelt School in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Pretty cool to have done that. So now this one is hand-glazed porcelain and stoneware tile. And from afar, it just looks like a photograph. It's unbelievable.
Really
and
cool.
Then you realize it's all tile work.
Also, just kind of while we're stopped here, we mentioned we were on the 2nd Avenue line. I love how open and airy the new subway line is. They really got some things right after confining people into the tight tunnels of the subway for the rest of the subway system. And I love this open, airy subway station.
So we're going to let you enjoy all of Chuck Close's portraits. So here they come.
right, there you go.
Somebody's eyes are watching. Thanks for joining us for this
Yeah.
edition of Subway Sundays. These mosaics are kind of mind-blowing.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Hopefully the footage captured just how incredible they truly are here.
Yeah.
Chuck Close definitely did an incredible job with
Yes. Thank you, Chuck.
Yes,
Your work
thank you,
is
Chuck.
incredible.
Listen, if you liked this, we have plenty more Subway Sundays you can check out and lots of other videos on New York City and beyond. So click that subscribe, click the bell if you want notifications.
Yeah, comment on the video and let us know which mosaic was your favorite. Sunday Subways is quickly becoming like one of our favorite tours to do. So we hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again very soon.
See you next Sunday.